Hi, this is Iris Batin for Butterfly Circles with vibrations of this period. This is a great period because of Imbolc. This is a Celtic name of that period of the 1st and the 2nd of February, which means in the belly. And this is when we will choose our seeds. We have to concrete our plans here. So this is really a great preparation for spring. And the month of March will be very good month. But before that, we have the full moon on the 5th of February. And this is a full moon in the sign of Lion. And a lion is the one who is like the leader, is the one who really wants to be in the sunlight. It's the one who wants to be seen in what he is, in what he really is. And that's a really good period to really look at the seeds, what you want to be and what you want to sow in March. So get your seeds and put it in the belly. So you have to really make plans now and make these plans concrete so that you really can have a beautiful boost month in March. This is beautiful exercise you can do during Imbolc. This is a period where the sun's getting more and more powerful. So you integrate the sun in your daily life. What you do is you really breathe in that sun into your aura, and then you pull it into your heart, and from your heart you just make the connection with the sun. It's as there's a beautiful beam of golden light between your heart and the sun. Just imagine that that sun is sending that beautiful stardust into your aura, and you take it in by breathing. And then you see your aura is filled with that beautiful sunlight. And then from your heart, I want you to see it in every cell of your body. You share it with your toes, your feet, and you just feel all the cells are filling with beautiful golden light until they are smileys. Your feet, your legs, your hips. Then you go to your belly, your pelvic bowl. Then you go to your diaphragm. Then you go to your lungs, your heart. Then you go to your shoulders, your arm, hands and fingers, your neck, your head, your crown, all filled with beautiful smileys, golden smileys, until your face is one beautiful smiley. And when you feel that sunlight in your heart, then you are the sun. And then you can start your day as a beautiful sunlight, and you will see people want to meet you. You will have that charisma of the sun. Take it every day. Take it in, that beautiful sunlight. Enjoy.